Now, before I ask you, with this new administration, how is it going to make sure that we are being helped? Telling individuals out what your job is, what you do if they don't know and who they voted for.
Well, first we want to thank you. Governor Mikey Sherrill and myself are here because of you. Lucky Indian came out 94% for us. Give yourselves a round of applause. As Lieutenant Governor, my number one job is to replace the governor when she's out of town. So I'll become acting governor when she's there. I'm also the Secretary of State. So we oversee tourism, we oversee voting, we oversee all those other things.
Okay, we're gonna go, okay? They have haircuts over here too. You want a haircut? Look guys, look the girls, I'm going to do gymnastic class. Look, you see that?
Give it up for Lieutenant Governor one time, y'all. Appreciate you for joining us and thank you for coming out. Because when I call, they say that our congressmen, our councilmen, the people that represent us in this country
You're watching them
are here
show
that we can ask, talk to. So if you have questions and concerns, don't say you got a pothole on your pocket. Don't ask, he's not going for that. But if you have some true questions and concerns, make sure you talk to this brother while he's here. Because I'm going to make sure while I'm here, that they make sure they stand up for us.
All right.
Anybody went to Hampton University? Exactly.
Point five.
All right, point five. But we play some music and we're going to have an HBCU panel. Stay with us a second.
Okay guys, so we're in the mall, we're walking around. Walking to keep them a little, a belly full. Oh God, we're gonna have to come back for this. Oh. What is it? Oh, it's a princess. This is cute. There's a lot of kids here. All the kids them are here. It's nice and warm indoors. Nice and warm indoors. Let's go through here, guys. Let's go in the garden, guys. Yeah, we did. The eye museum, right across there. Wow. Don't wet your beard coat, guys. It's cold outside. It's a fountain. How cool is that? Beautiful. Come, let's go now. Yeah? Come. Come on. I like how...
Want to go play the piano?
Okay, come. Let's go play the piano. Let's go play a piano. Play the piano. Look at Rhea. Rhea got talent, you know. Rhea playing the piano. She pulling up her chair and everything. Look at that. Rena too. Rhea, Rabbit Jr. play the piano. Come on. Go, girl. Around too, they're running around. This is nice. I like how they put this. Good job. Now let them make little music in the meantime. They're belly full. Music in the meantime. Ravi Jr., play it. Come on. You gotta learn the piano. That looks nice. Flowers. Let's go around here. There's a game over there. Rhea, come. Rena. You want a burger?
I want to put it down.
Okay, come. Let's go. This is a robot. Bam Kazam. What is that? Come guys, come. Come here. Rhea, wait. Look at the kids them. It's Angry Bird. Look, it's angry. It's golf. You want to play golf? Do you guys want to do the golf, hubby? Angry Birds golf. You want to go there? Okay. Come on. Oh.
Benji.
Hi.
The little girl that was in front of you?
Yeah. Look at the train. Okay. We're going on this train, guys. Train ride. We're going on the train ride. Let's watch over here in the meantime. Come. We're joining this line. They're gonna go in the train. Train leaving as soon as we came. So when the train come back. Train is leaving. That train is leaving. When the train come back, guys. When the train come back. The Nickelodeon. They went over there to play once where the slide is and everything. But that when you come, you gotta go early in the morning and bring them to spend the whole day. Yeah, anyways, we going on this train right away. He was, right? Yeah. He's looking for his mommy. He just said the little boy is looking for his mommy.
He ran away first.
Yeah. So yeah, we're waiting for the train to come back and then we'll ride around the mall a little on the train. Give them a little train ride. It's driving, the train is coming back. Look, it's driving over there. It's coming, look. Look, the train is coming. Stand in the corner, guys. Look, it's coming. See? The train is coming. Hey. Stand up and wait. Train is here. Yay! All aboard the train, guys. All aboard the train. All aboard. I come. We're on our way in the speeding train. Choo-choo. Put your hands inside, remember, okay? Guys, look. We in the train. Look this way, guys. Keep your hands inside, Ravi Jr., okay? Our train. Our train is... You guys like it? Remember we did this for Christmas in December? Was it? Yeah, December. We took the Christmas train. That was the Polar Express. You okay, Rena? Some good pastries, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, free cookies. They're giving away free samples of the cookies. Look outside, guys. Look there. Mama enjoying this train ride too. Mommy and Daddy enjoying this train ride.
Hi.
Hi. Rabbit Jr. enjoying it. Look. Yeah. Tell them bye. Rabbit Jr., put your head inside. On your hands. You gotta say hi to the babies. You see they're saying hi.
One of the babies is crying.
Aww. He's sad.
Yep, and one of the brothers. One of the babies.
Yeah. Yay, the train is coming. That's where we just passed by. Bye. Rena telling everybody bye. Bye. Yeah. Okay, so we're reaching back to the destination. We're reaching back to the destination. The cinnamon bun smell good. I just washed my hair. I didn't do anything to it. I washed it and loose it. Just let loose.
Got the biggest one in here.
Chocolate, look. You want us to go chocolate whirl after? Oh, nice. Look, Nickelodeon, guys. Look. We're gonna go there just now.
That's our stop, right?
That's our stop, guys. Let mommy come out first. You guys like the ride? Rena closing the door. Oh. Oh my God. Let's go, come. Let's come over here. Go over there. You guys got it? Come on. now. They're happy to be out with the fresh air too. They're running around. They're playing. Watch them now. They love they're running around all over. You take the blue one, Robbie Jr. Take the blue one. Robbie Jr. Be careful. What are they doing? They play with the sheep, look. They went over the other side once to play. We took them there, but for summer we'll take them back. Rabbit Jr. running around all over the place, look. Ball. You see, we're gonna go here for summer. We gotta come and spend the whole day because you're probably gonna pay the same price and then spend an hour or so and leave. So it's best you pay the whole price and spend whole day, almost like have to let it have a good fun time, which would be nice because that's what we did the last time when we came. Remember, hubby? Yeah, that's what we did the last time. Maria doing in the booth. Maria taking a picture. Maria, where's your money? Where's your money? $10 for a photo. Where is your money? Let's go. Oh. Like, let's walk around and see. They have a horsey over there. We're gonna walk around. Look. Balls. They already have 3D peeps come up. Easter. You're welcome. Look, this is for Easter. We get peeps. Okay, we get candy. What do you want? You guys want candy or you want a toy? Which one?
Or you want a big snake?
Or you want a big snake? There's pizza, gummy pizza. Look, put back the ones. Look, this one is a Krabby Patty burger. Look, you see that? And this is a hot dog. Yes, that's right. That's a move. We're still looking. We're gonna look and then we're gonna get something. Wow, strawberry gummies. Yeah, strawberry gummies. Oh, nice. You're gonna take that one? Here she, I'm gonna pick this up.
Look, I found this gummy.
Yeah, that's healthy.
So can I take all of it, Mom?
What is that?
You don't eat the shark for $17, bro?
You need a shark?
For $17, you don't eat
For
it.
$17. Hubby, this one to pick up everything you see. Look, there's breakfast too. There's eggs and bacon. You see?
Okay, what's this?
Oh, you guys want to go up the stairs? Come. They got a free treats here. This is 2 for $15 and 3 for $20. Okay, we're going up the stairs. Bernie Carl, you guys, come on. Too much soda. Too much Diet Coke. And Sprite and ginger ale. You guys got it?
Look, he has a face on him.
You like that, Rhea?
Yes, he's holding the Oreo.
Alright.
Look, he's eating one.
He's eating an Oreo, yeah. Look who's here, the bear. And look, there. This is it's a toucan. A toucan bird. And then there's the this one is how many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie at the end of the something like that. They got the peelers here. Hubby used to buy this so much. Oh my god. They got kiwi flavor now. Spider-Man, you like that one? Be careful.
Careful, bro.
Where's the blue one? Oh, look. Okay, the girls them take one pink one, red one. Here, a blue one. Take it. Good job.
It's so rough. Gentle.
Show me yours, guys. Let me see.
Gummy, pink.
Gummy, let's go. Let's go pay for it. Come. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, come here. Let's go. Yeah.
Unicorn.
It's a unicorn. Yes. But you can't take the lollipops. No, Rhea. Horse. The horse, Ina. It's sugar. Kids them I go crazy in here for candy. Okay, let's go pay for it. Pay for your stuff.
Hand over your stuff.
Give your stuff, guys.
Hand over your stuff.
It's sugar, guys. Okay, guys, so that's it. We are heading home. Kids had a fun time. We walk around. We relax a little. We had a good time. So we had a good time. So now it's time for home. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful weekend. Stay warm, whoever is in the cold. And do enjoy your week ahead. And of course, the Super Bowl. I don't know if I might post this up before or after the Super Bowl, but yeah. So anyways, bye. Thank you. Enjoy your weather. So apparently their father wanted to bring them at Sesame Street, but the kids them the place is closed, so the kids them have to go do something else. When we came, it was closed. We'll bring them back another day at Sesame Street. learn and play. It's closed. We'll bring them back another day, man. They went to Sesame Place in Pennsylvania. Their father carried them. The original one, in, I think, yeah, in Pennsylvania. If you guys look back our video, you're gonna see. They went to Pennsylvania. So it's closed, so. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go.
Sea Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Perú, Ecuador, Brasil, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Panamá, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, El Salvador, Guatemala, México, Cuba, República Dominicana, Jamaica, Haití, las Antillas, United States, Canadá, a my motherland, mi patria, Puerto Rico. Seguimos